Good morning to you, Hazel and Justin. The mayor here just moments ago, but he was again denied entry to this facility. He says he's trying to get in fire and health and safety inspectors, but he is being blocked day after day. He's also joined today by protesters who are here protesting the fact that any detainees are inside this ICE facility at all.
It's an issue of human rights. It's an issue of due process.
Mayor Ras Baraka sounding the alarm over a detention center in Newark being run by Immigration and Customs Enforcement. It was recently leased for $63 million annually from a private prison group known as GEO.
We found some violations that put first responders at risk, violations that put detainees or workers that are there at risk. We also need to know if they're going to have children in the building.
And now Newark is suing, saying more inspections from the fire and city health department are needed to ensure the safety of those being held inside. ICE was previously on the record saying they are indeed housing detainees inside the facility known as Delaney Hall since May 1, which can house 1,000 people. But they did not indicate how many are currently being detained. The mayor briefing press yesterday on their court actions.
We are afraid and opposed and alarmed by them setting up a detention center where they continuously violate people's rights and house them in a building that now they won't even allow us access to the building. They criminalized people. They've created division. They've kidnapped people off of the street. They've detained folks who are lawful residents of this country. They've deported people who had student visas, who had green cards. These people are dangerous to our community, dangerous to democracy as a whole, dangerous to the Constitution of the United States. And everybody should be as alarmed as we are up here, and folks in our community should be just as scared. If due process can be taken away from one American, it can be taken away from any American.
Now, back out here live, the mayor is still on the scene. He's trying to gain entry at other points of entry on this building. The GEO group, which owns this facility and has leased it to ICE for 15 years, issued a response to us this morning saying that they've got all the proper permits in place, including a certificate of occupancy, and that this is merely a politicized fight from a sanctuary city. We're live in Newark. I'm Kirsten Cole, Pix 11 News. Back to you, Hazel and Justin.